Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse. Sounds like corpse, core, horse, and worse. I will keep you busy, make your head with head grow dizzy. Tear in eye, your dress will tear. So shall I. Oh, hear my prayer. Just compare heart, bird, and herd, dice and diet, Lord and word, sword and sword, written and written. Now I surely will not plague you with such words as plague and ague. But be careful how you speak. See brick and stick, but blake and streak, cloven, oven, how and low, script, receipt, show, poem and toe. Here may see, devoid of trickery, daughter, laughter, and terpsichore, typhoid, measles, top shells, aisles, exiles, similes, and reviles, scholar, beaker, and cigar, solar, mica, war, and far, one, anemone, balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel, Gertrude, German, wind, and mind, sin, melpomone, mankind, bellet does not rhyme with ballet, bouquet, wallet, mallet, and chalet, blood and flood are not like food, nor is mold like should and would, vicious, viscount, load, and brood, toward, to forward, to reward. Are your pronunciations okay? When you correctly say croquet, rounded, wounded, grave, and save, friend and find, alive and live, Ivy, freebie, famous, claymore, and anymore rhyme with hammer, river, rival, tomb, bump, camp, comb, dull and roll, and some and home, strangers does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour with clangor, soul but foul, hunt but ant, font, front, want, grant, and grant, shoes, goose, dust, now first see finger, and then singer, ginger, linger, real, zeal, mauve, ghost, gouge, and gauge, mirage, foliage, mirage, and age, query does not rhyme with fury, nor does fury sounds like bury, dust, lost, post, and dot, cloth, and lot, job, knob, bosom, transom, oath, through the difference seems little we say actual but virtual, refers, refer does not rhyme with differ, prefer does and cipher, hypher, mint, pint, senate, and sedate, dull, bowl, and George are eight late, scenic, Arabic, Pacific, science, conscience, and scientific, liberty, library, have, and heaven, racial, egg, mustache, 11, wishy, hallowed, but allowed, people, leopard, toad, but vowed, mark the difference moreover, between mover, cover, clover, leeches, breeches, wise, precise, chalice, but police, and lies, camel, constable, unstable, principal, disciple, label, petal, panel, and canal, wait, surprise, plate, promise, pal, worm and storm, chase, chaos, chair, senator, spectator, mayor, Tor but our, and soccer, four, cast, alas, and Arkansas, say, idea, Korea, area, Sam, Maria, but malaria, youth, south, southern, cleans, and clean, doctrine, turpentine, marine, compare alien with Italian, dandelion and battalion, shall, Sally with ally, ye, I, we, and K, say, ever but ever favor, neither leisure, skin deceiver, heron, granary, canary, revise, and devise, and airy, face but preface, not a face. Phlegm phlegmatic as glass base. Large but target gene give virgin. Out, out, just, scour, scourging. Air but earn unwear and tear. Do not rhyme with hair but eerie. 7 is right but so even. Hyphen, Raffen, nephew, Stephen. Monkey, donkey, torque and jerk. Ast, crabs, wasp, uncork and work. Is spelling stout and spiky? Won't it make you lose your wits? Writing grots and seeing grits. It's a dark abyss of tunnel. Thrown in stone, Stout, Shoelace, Gunwale, Islington, and Isles of Wight. Housewife, verdict, and endive. Finally, which rhyme with enough? Doe, true, plow, or doe, or calf. Hiccup has the sound of calf. My advice is to give up.